osmosis. Yeah, majuada so fiada because the world of entertainment near a cheguno. Ya de bi somo. De fata woni no asum. Ye sone so near de bi amao. Me ma kwa baba Badwam Ahosepe dwumadi so me ni Sandra Ohime Ametiwa. Adwuma nyame Adom entertainment ame Ghana for chemu a.
Woni sa Sandy no. Where dey jayo or guy? Sister Sandy be a guy.
Straight up. And then 7 the door so.
We a guy.
Pick up yourself, king of osmosis. And 7 the door so nani bibi. Where the most dangerous prayer? I will be bogu swa or so kopo anu kodware. Yen share ade ma real quick. Ye wi amache osofu bia. Ojana sorry dem. E making paluta more fire. Pacho shebra sisia.
I do.
Mo fan chair din fidie na ye adwuma o decide na me catch us so for business sorry fie e making paluta more fire. Na ye person be say anyum ne mo lyrics to say nie Jacob wa sorry dem na papa so for ye jezo papa so for ye guy and all vibe to the song. Ningi na mo no me patch mo nhwe video. The papa so for person chere say sa obeto ke paluta nyom wa abonten ho no Fabra so better drama troupe. Monye choreographic akra. He lives in me. Na to hanky no ade no baeja. Papa we nyum ne ode akra. Papa nyum ne ode. Oh bon sama papa so for a guy na dey. Wo sisi Papa nyum ne kwa no profanity bi animo. Nye profanity we dey bonto nko manim sa na. Me catch us senpai bo bi ehu. Wedding pai bo bi bogu so a dwane kopo ano. Shabra sisi a me ba. Hallelujah. Mo man kwala pressure so mo mpaya. Dey bebe di mate. Yanto ansam no so. Bujubantin yoru akese wo adwumto dwumadi no emuna. Wodi nsem bia todwa. Very just say ansam na kwakoye no ho bibia ho kwakoye no chameleon. Edane green edane blue because pin ne nyadwen pin so ne be yadwen. The okan na ne say afrobeat. Where dey ono abete ono anenu wada obete so no e ka but o hwesania say na mafo enwuma omoto omomfa nka bibia mfa Africa ho omomfa nka freedom bibi ho o hwe Bob Marley monwuma omo ye a omo de kan bibi fa Africa ho ma change eba akro no emu continent ni mu na enai enkomo ni so asem o woka che mu nyina wo this side so wada ma tie buju anu asem wo ba ya twetwe san komo we say real quick.
So let me ask you, because I've been watching. You said something that was very interesting. You said Afro beats gives props back to reggae, to dancehall.
Do they?
I thought I heard you say that.
I don't think they do. No, I never said that. I said they don't give fucking props back to dancehall and reggae.
Oh, my bad. I heard it wrong.
Yeah. Now you really dyslexic.
Yeah. My bad. I thought I heard it the other way around. But then I heard you say, because I heard you say Afrobeats. I thought I heard you say that. The Afrobeats, like, pay homage.
The greatest musician out of Africa was...
Nase yakoba ye beti ajeta sa ni ade ntino eno ho nsama na ye twetwe no ntiti ma afrobeat mama ni na hosa abo na monye de sefata over the weekend no na ne mapi because so social ne so kankan x na mikopie bi so ni nyina ne say the standard of beauty queen e fiodo akokan sem bi o podcast bi so na ensam no me hyede nya abotre ekohwe the full podcast ama me hu say eye obi adwene ni na dwe bone ni na adwe mu fi e na keka video no ebo mu abayo the standard Allah wo yo e na keka bo mu e ma sansem no epie bai na nipa no de okeka bo mu no wadara ma me sure say wa hu yin no enie ma me video no this side and sakrana ya can same way nice girl and nice boy we ngina ka say oh ma video na abaya no e kasa no real quick na yento aso we say o share video we say clearly no abaya no edit to form say nyakwesi ata asem na woka no na clearly no video na emu so sa de to honom say one no antwempena na me kwa ya mentem ase o mpanifo me no mompena atwedi sa mo betrem kyerɛ e na me ni we twempena me ni ye rade eti dia kodro rade Gen Z generation we the mo niema many way twempna me na twempna me ne dai me na ade achi argument am pese ye no eye asem na aba eti nsem no e me se video ba ko na America no se ne oni ne kekesi ani no ahede ankosi ba bi yi na efie ka se otofu agu boy ne ka mu na ohwere ma me ne sister nsem bebre okwa abrocho ye shopping bre no na ehoi na me se bra no ehu video na wan sheda ankohwe fu no bra na tija ache tatatatata mama me tweet no kwasi rant or Twitter honom X ne so over the weekend continuously non-stop utim say na the accelerator no eye adwuma saying break because when tie break you cry oh mama we no e wa ha say real quick near hwen sama boy no atrotro e wo ho eni start say I say I've been silent for too long. Is this happening to see so many people oblivious to someone constantly using my name for clouds, a storyline and attention with allegations and scenarios? Or twice when see why. Or see your team and networks only roll out your songs or shows with my name attached as a marketing strategy. Each month or week is a different storyline and agenda. Why has nobody caught on by now? When see why twice so was not speaking again on this matter. Anything else said about me will be discussed with my lawyer and handled in court. Stop playing with me. And see why I was had to be too mu. Was a young man coming up in the industry or just in general, please don't think with your D and disassociate yourself from any woman who would use what you work so hard to build for yourself and family for social media clouds. Also, all of you artists and so-called colleagues that see what this girl keeps doing to me to ruin my reputation and still be posting up with her like it's all good, F ya all. So, to all my so-called friends, blah, 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 blah. Nah, Bray, send your cash on the lawyer about discuss what court so the my may fancy. Oh, then you got my fancy. Hey! Now, what's say about when you only when send me say aba? Now, no, I had 2 weeks ago, yeah, Ghana for the dance here. Now I'm MCM. Me praise you real quick. At the end, now you were not in the news, you were not trending. You may not quite income, you've not paid me. 2 weeks ago, me beji wa. Edusi apakemu, what in apakemu, kwesi, what in apakemu, na me ma fancy say ya. Na fe de okay, the odi egina ya fra. Hey, that's a girl no kwa modi. Have you before na ba? Before na ba na Ghana for munya isa mo ye kwesi ata na mentemase o. Society ama mema bebre omo nsama ka omumu na omuwu. De bia obati mi bekasa. De bia na be ma bekasa one boy yo mpekasa kwesi ata mpekasa. Oya brante bia mpekasa mpene ho asem. Onso onye controversial artist de bia ode camera sin ani mo onye sa. So for the first time, Sir Brante pour out ni niema na ninje ho. I don't see why was a Ghana for mudi natem. Say na society ma building mema. Ama mema bebre omo nsama ka omumu. E mema bre. Pay attention to men. Give men some ears. Mama mema aso. Hey, na obi kana say mudi natem. E ti kon function ho no onya depression ho. Wana so kra me hu de menka biom. Nice guy say. Anyway, I buy an small worry on person back once. So send also is the near my cocoa TD. What that about my fancy? I hit a family. Big up yourself. No, yet there were Adom no pay. Yes, what's I make sure some material near Fabrics Wholesale GH. My car chose a Ghana help a baby. I torn materials. Papa, nice one, affordable. Different types of material. Your wholesale kakaka. I be up on my door, baby out of material. Furniture Fabrics Wholesale GH. Na ho na auto material na pe baby apama hwehwe omo ehwo na agina ho ani ensusu na yempama for Fabrics Wholesale 0245 777741 0245 777741 meet me so as usual a hair logistics GH as the official ambassador for hair logistics no rest na me hihye nwi ne ko me catch us kotobi and na da je ni ho abetina sese mo 3 hours 4 hours utu kwan bi wa grab back wash wa pe styling gel wona wo kwe or TikTok, Instagram, hair logistics GH. You different types of braided wake up. Girl near too good. Tini Aman award nancy the best salon in Ghana hwehwɛ no na ɔma wo wini bi ɛnhyɛ abusia metwa so a munya kwasi atem didie munya na tem didie ma me wate eh society say ya na mema ye mo fan kokra na Ghana France ndi na tem mo ade obi abranti ade achi bia na wan so kafra next time Hoseni also betwocho woni ema na share video we ma me share video we bra real quick video of the day me anto aso beyond recently Kiss Daniel hosted show in London with about 20,000 capacity. So mind you, say on your upcoming artists, what you know, but still, nah, we peace God, uncle, back Kiss Daniel. Still, a brand no at the whiskey flowers, man, and that is something Obama Krum I lucky. That is something I lucky pa or Ghana has say. Adding some of the penny flowers, be man, because you say or your borrow. Adding so bits me be na nwaka so penny. Wona wudi kan Joe flowers why you be? Shadi or Trofa whiskey. What's the whiskey to me is the greatest African musician of all time. He's like a mentor, and I look up to him. Osmo Nsambo. Say the read. Okay. Truth be told, Wizkid has inspired 90% of the Nigerian musicians who came after him. The way they respect him says it all. From a small house on the streets of Oju-Alegba to becoming the global superstar. His story, achievement, composure, and talent are truly inspirational. Osmosa, boom for the second one. Oh! So, what kind of boy? Shall you read? We got one hit song, 2 hit song. Wo ba wa battery. A chain TV po a yes wo wi. We got 2 hit song. Wo ba. Wo bora who saka chi and say Charlie was so put even no. We got one hit song get trending with TikTok. So one so share shatawale no. Wo bona pampem. So mu hwe. Na de bia meka. Sesanya ma we nyina no. Emboa mani panyi. So pe bibi mu nhira feel that find you ho no so pe mu nhira nipa odi kan no fa ni die ni buoma no se Sharif abayi na we be Kofi Ampedu wanyini we adwuma was oh boss directing what Joe Flowers and say yo ina me share obi ti say gift auntie me share obi ti say delay baby dapa ade ayeye sa TV gossip baby dapa na start na me share sister no me see me be me mama Betty so because na on here wo jale Sandra wo jale mo mama ni na ho na mo fa ni die ni buo e ma oni a wasafata ni nyina kan obi na your system na some way entertainment industry ye hu ye ho anu no na wo upcoming actress where she obi to say Gloria Asafo sana maami ye fiewura na nama na wo John San wa mo wanya sini ba ko wan si na ya se jekota de na ka asa abo. No way she Gloria Asafo was hey, we are here for the game. I'm telling you, I'm bring the season. It was Christmas, but no more. Woman in us are war, what it? Woman fancy Japanese square come, woman fancy. Well, the Kofi Ampedu, I'm a director, Sharif. Upon a chidom, Kelvin and Mero. So bon a chidom. Kinos Moses, big up yourself that side. Member. Agent, this is Kumasi Academy. National Science and Maths quiz mo say mo bon sema me school no kumaka to the whole yase osmo bom the best new school in Ashanti region and beyond. Nkwalano, congratulations, you are doing amazing. We see you yababa kumase ababe support mo. I'm the Gaius Queen, same time ukwada ya den somewhere eba ebe sumushia mo kwa boche mo ansa say